How to remove and replace your old habits. Our morning message that we have to practice every day the habits that will make us more like Christ, based on 1 Timothy 4:15. The moment you give your life to Jesus, He gives you a brand new nature. But you will still have old habits, patterns, and practices that need to be removed and replaced. It's a lifelong process, but here are 2 bits of guidance to help you on the journey. Let go of the fears that keep you from growing. The fear of what you might discover if you honestly face your character defects can keep you living in the prison of denial. God will shine the light of His truth on your faults, failures, and hang-ups so can you begin to work on them. This is why you cannot grow without a humble, teachable attitude. Stop basing your identity around your defects. You say, "It's just like me to be," or "It's just the way I am." The unconscious worry is that if you let go of your hurt, hang-up, or habit, you won't know who you are anymore. This fear can definitely slow your growth. Remember that your character is the sum total of your habits, and good habits take time to develop. You can't claim to have integrity unless it's your habit to always be honest. A husband who is faithful to his wife most of the time is not faithful at all. Your habits define your character. Remember, you are in need of a new nature. You have to practice every day the habits that will make you more like Christ. I am truly glad you spent time to view this message. I hope you are blessed and share this with somebody else. Thank you, and have a great day everyone.